Okay, the next one we're going to look at is tidal. Now, tides shouldn't be mixed up with waves. Waves happen very rapidly. Tides are caused by the moon, and the tide comes in and out twice in a 24-hour period. What we can do is we can take that movement of the water and turn that into electricity by getting it to turn a turbine. There's lots of different ways of doing that. We can build tidal barrages, which are like dams across a tidal estuary, or we can put things that just look like wind turbines but underneath the surface of the water, and then that tide causes them to turn and generates electricity. Now, if we look at our little table, tide is renewable because if we use the tides today, there'll be more tides tomorrow. Is it reliable? Yes, they're very predictable in how they act, and we can get energy from them every day. Can it respond to change demand? It depends on the type. If we build a tidal barrage, we can hold the water behind the barrage and then release more of it to turn more turbines when we need it. So in certain circumstances, it can respond to change demand. Does it produce CO2? No, we're not burning anything. However, these can destroy habitats and or risk the wildlife that passes close to the blades of those turbines. Hydroelectricity is quite similar. What we do is we have a large river, we build a dam across it, we create an artificial reservoir really behind that dam, and then we release the water through it, and that then turns a turbine, turns a generator, generates electricity. It is renewable because there will be water behind that dam, which is produced by rain falling on and then forming rivers, which then feed into the reservoir behind it. Is it reliable? Yes, we can produce electricity from it once we've got that large reservoir behind it whenever we want. Can it respond to changes in demand? Yes, we can change the amount of water that we release through the dam. Does it produce CO2? No, we're not burning anything to produce that electricity. However, like our tidal, it does destroy habitats. We might flood a large area of land in behind that dam. They are also incredibly expensive to build. They're big projects, which is one of the reasons why we don't see a lot of these around. Lastly then, geothermal. Quite similar to fossil fuel power plants. The only difference is rather than using coal to heat water, we use natural heat from the inside of planet Earth to heat our water for us. Now, this is only really useful in places where we have natural hot springs, which is a sign that the crust at that point is very thin, so we have closer access to all that heat generated inside planet Earth. But we just use that steam then to turn a turbine, turn a generator, generate electricity. It means then our geothermal is renewable, because we can continue to use that heat. It is reliable, and we can put more water down and get more water out, get more steam out that will produce more electricity, and it doesn't produce CO2, which seems like it's a really excellent resource for generating electricity, and it is. However, it's not suitable for everywhere. It's a key negative of this. Really, places like Iceland, it's very useful. Places like Ireland, not so much.